I super love the shaded area here. Oh, how the net provides the shading. Baka nga yun yung reason bakit maganda yung variegation ng mga plants nila, because the white princess is superb. Ayan, parang half moon yung variegation niya. Ayan. No filter being used, but this is really how the color looks like in person. Even parang reddish in person, guys. Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, this is the part 2 of that garden tour na nasimulan ko earlier, pero we had to cut it kasi medyo mahaba na. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung updated version ng mga plants that we have showed you a few months ago. So, if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! Anyway guys, before we start, I'd just like to show you na ako lang po talagang mag-isa. So, it's okay if I take off my mask. So guys, I really thought that not a lot has changed, but I can see that there are really a lot of plants that are growing bigger na. Really far from how they looked like when we were here during the first time. So this is the Philodendron painted lady, and this one is the big form of that Philodendron Jose Bono. Ito naman yung matured form ng Epiprimnum pinnatum na Aurea. So ayan guys, meron na siyang mga split sa leaves niya, and lumalaki nga talaga siya. More of like kamukha siya ng pothos guys, pero Epiprimnum po siya, not really pothos, and they also climbed. So ito yung mga poles na piniflex ko dati. There was one na nag-message pa nga kung paano ginagawa itong mga pole na to. I'll just give you a closer look of how they really look like in person. So there are shredded coconut fiber dyan sa loob, tapos merong welded wire, and they were tied up using the cable ties. Yan. Tapos ito naman is the jungle fever na aberrant form. Etong mas maliit guys, well this one is the variegated jungle fever, and there are also people calling it snowdrift philodendron. So I have read a message asking if snowdrift philodendron and the golden pina is the same. Yes, they are. So katulad lang din, pareho lang din ng jungle fever. Philodendron pink princess is also trailing. And meron tayong Compass Portuanum na matured form dito, already trailing in the pole that they have, which is really great. I really love how the pole was made. So ayan, eto guys, I'll just give you a closer look of how it really looks like. Eto naman sa baba is the golden domesticum. Yung katabi niya is the golden serratum. Yung itsura ng serratum guys, meron siyang mga curl sa gilid or curve, whatever you call it. Basta hindi plain yung itsura ng dahon niya. So, the next one is the Dentaxla. Ayan. This is really the first time that I heard about this philodendron. And of course, the very first time that I'm seeing it in person. Really beautiful. Ayan, this one is the Philodendron White Princess. So, hindi ko alam kung kaano-ano niyo yung Philodendron White Knight na hindi naman naglalabas na masyadong white. But etong nandito guys, malalaki na and still showing their variegation. So, ayan. Really big oh. Compared to my hand. So guys, umuulan ulit. Ayan. So, nakapayong na nga ako. As in, lumalakas talaga yung ulan. So, dahil naka-net lang to, of course, the rain will still come in. Ito yung pinakamagandang benefit of using the net. So, nakakaingit yung net, guys, kasi yun yung wala kami sa garden. But yes, of course, we will be buying soon. Syempre, yun yung mga kailangan ng plants namin. apart from just the care that we are giving every day. So, syempre, mas nangangailangan na din ng net para safe from the rain, from the sun, safe from the rain daw. At least filtered yung nakakapasok. And of course, syempre, dun sa mga twigs na bigla-bigla na lang nalalaglag. Ang dami kong gustong i-flex dito, guys. Even this, hindi ko alam kung soxum ba siya. Basta aglonema siya, guys. Soxum jaipong. Kung ako lang, yung tatanungin, ayan. No filter being used, but this is really how the color looks like in person. Even parang reddish in person, guys. And super lush. So, I do not know if this is for sale. Basta super ganda niya. As in, I only have one of this at home. But when you take a look at these pots na magkakatabi, ganito pala sila kaganda. I have shown you a clip of this, pero this is really beautiful. The variegation is superb. I really love this one, guys. Merong iba kasi dito na mga variegated na anthurium foliages but not really having this type of variegation. Ayan. Yung iba merong mga pure white na, as in almost pure white. But this one talaga, superb. And yung pinakamaganda dito, guys, is that nagsettle na sila, nagstable na sila. Because I have seen this. Super tagal na din nung time na nakita ko to. Maybe last April. That was the time. Pero ngayon, guys, 2021 is about to end. So, syempre, super stable na tong mga ganito. And most of the plants that are here have acclimated na talaga, finally. So, hindi ka na basta-bastang makakapagsabi, nakaka-import pa lang. So, kasi sobrang tagal na nilang nandito. So, sa mga viewers namin, last time or nung months na yon that we were here, I'm sure that you are familiar with what are those plants that I have showed you guys. I could link the video or I could put that in the description box or you may see it on the top of the screen. Basta yun lang yun, guys. Meron silang baby Angela dito or yung African Fantasy. Now classified as Tomatophyllum, so hindi na siya Philodendron ngayon, but still it's here and it's gonna grow big pa. Parang nagiging kahoy nga yata siya. Ay, meron pa palang isa dito. Ayan, oh. Oh, so, that's really the beauty of an anthurium foliage, guys. So, hindi kami nawawala ng pag-asa dun sa mga maliliit na binili namin kasi yun lang talaga yung afford. So, start with the small ones. You'll never know how far you could get. So, ayan din, oh. Super ganda. Bumabalik na naman yung ulan. I do not know if you can hear it, but let me go back to the umbrella. So, dito tayo. Ayan. So, dito. May mga Birkin dito pero maliliit. So, Jose Bonos are here. Dito tayo sa area na to kasi maraming magaganda dito. Yung Philodendron Verlimarks na variegated are here. Not just one pot. Sobrang dami, guys. The large ones are being placed outside. Of course, hindi na sila kakasya dito. They are being placed labas ng tent na to, but still meron pang net, guys. So, nakalagay sila doon. Not really close to each other kasi maaapektuhan yung pagbuka ng mga dahon. Lumalakas na talaga yung ulan. So, we had to pause for a while, but I would just like to show you dito sa labas, guys, because I've been telling you that most of the plants here are really getting big na. That's why they are being placed outside. And, of course, given space para makapag-stretch out sila ng mga dahon. Syempre, I really wonder why there's a plant here being placed in a cage. But, alright. Nakikita kasi akong variegated wave of love dito. Which is this one. Not just being yellowed by the sun, but really a variegated one. Because dito naman talaga, filtered yung sun. Anyway, guys, the net, meron nga pala silang binibenta dito. I'm really looking for a net. A lot of you have been posting comments on our videos. Dapat magnet na kami. Yes, guys, we are planning about that. And we are looking for a good quality net. And I'm seeing it here. So, dito ko talaga siya nakikita. Ayan. This is how it looks like up close. I do not know if it's the same with the other one that has a green on it. Lalapitan natin. Kasi mas maganda tong ganito, guys. And I've really experienced na sobrang init sa labas. But when we get in here, sobrang lamig niya. So, I think the plants will really love it. I bet most of you know what are these plants that we can see here. Kasi malalaki na nga sila. And I have featured about them before. But I'm just giving you an update of how they look like right now because sobrang laki na nga nila guys. Sobrang laki ng inilaki ng mga plants na to na nandito sa labas. And ayan, lalapitan na muna natin yung merong green. Eto kasi yung plano kong bilhin. So merong binibenta si Ma'am Chel na ganito. So ayan, eto yung net na meron sila. From Thailand daw to. Ayan oh. Sobrang ganda din niya guys. So, we will be buying a net for our plants galing kay Ma'am Chel kasi mas maganda yung net na nakikita ko sa kanila dito. And, na-experience ko talaga na malamig talaga sa loob. So, and guys, if gusto nyo ring magkaroon ng net dun sa garden nyo or if you are planning to have your garden net, then go and get it from Ma'am Chel. I'll just put the name dito na lang sa baba guys. O yan. So I have showed this area before pero hindi ganun kaklaro because we've been here parang paggabi na yon. There are a lot of plants here. They have Choco Empress guys. I just really miss how our Choco Empress looks like. So anyway, for those of you who are planning to get this, just a quick reminder, this is so sensitive. So ayan, this is a large pagoda yata. Hindi ako sure. Kasi nga purple yung newest leaf niya. Ayan. So, here we are. Nung pumasok ako kanina, yung napakita ko lang yata is yung cobra fern. But now, ayan, meron pa pala silang marami dito, oh. Ito yung nasa kabilang side. Most of them are really large na. The white princess is superb. Ayan, parang half moon yung variegation niya. So, I really do not know how to let these variegation out. Kung ganitong type lang ng variegation, sobrang gaganda guys. Meron ding mga Monstera albo. Not just one, but sobrang dami talaga. Ayan, being lined up in a rack. Ayan. Ito lang yata yung parang naano sa kanila, parang naiba. Ayan, I'm seeing a black ZZ guys. Kanina dun malapit sa restaurant na nagkumuha ko ng clip doon. But, yung nakita namin doon is the variegated one. Ay, ganito siya. Yung nakita namin doon. So, ayan, ito naman yung kaibahan ng black one. Oh, wow, ayan guys. This is how the body looks like, oh. Ayan. Merong white princess, merong white knight, merong pink princess, ang dadaming princess. Ayan, but this is really beautiful. Paano kaya pinapalabas yung mga ganyang variegation, no? Maybe because of the area daw. So, yung dito is the net. Maybe yun yung... Kaya bumili na din kayo. Alright, I'm seeing a line of Sebastatum here. Ayan. Yung mga may mapupula yung likod. You can really notice what are those young ones because masyadong mapula yung nasa likod guys. Once they grow mature, eventually nawawala yata yung mga pa-red na ganyan. Oh, we can compare the old one and the young one. I super love the shaded area here. Oh, how the net provides the shading. Baka nga yun yung reason bakit maganda yung variegation ng mga plants nila. Because most of the variegated plants guys are now being placed here. So, no worries naman kasi dito sa area na to restricted talaga. Hindi pinapapasok yung mga bisita ng resort. Ito nga pala guys is a variegated green imperial. Oh, ayan. So, marami tayong nakikita. Meron nga marami doon na mga normal lang na green imperial. But, eto guys, mga variegated na. Ayan. Mga propagated na to guys. But, ayan, meron pang iba oh. As you can see, ang ganda ng variegation niya. So, not really your normal green imperial na makikita mo kung saan-saan. So, I'm not seeing anyone on Facebook, lalo na sa mga taga-Bohol na nagpo-post ng mga ganito. So, sa mga gustong mag-inquire about how much is this, you may message Sir Toby or Ma'am Virgo Chill. So, meron nga pala silang matured form ng Tomatophyllum na African Fantasy or the Angela, guys. Noong bagong labas to, people are really calling it Philodendron, but just so you know, it has been reclassified. I just forgot when. So, yun guys, same people to be messaged about these pots of Monstera alboborsigiana. So, eto sila guys. Oh, klarong-klaro na yung mga variegations. They are for sale. Depende sa variegation yung magiging amount niya or magiging price niya kung sakali. Kasi a lot of you naman are looking for rare plants, then message nyo lang yung mga sinabi ko and yung mga pina-flash kong account sa screen. There is a big one, oh. I just do not know how much it is, but it's really, I think, the biggest among the Monsteras that they have here. So far, dito sa area na to ha, kasi meron talagang malalaki. So, ito, meron pang white princess. Another white princess. Big variegated alocasia also came here, guys. So, parang ganito din yung pinaglagyan. And, this is how the babies look like. Ayan. In one pot. Kasi parang nagkakaroon yata siya ng bulb. Tapos, yung bulb yung magkakaroon ng mga madaming shoots. So, as far as I remember, dun yata yung nakalagay before. But, it has been transferred here. So, dun, guys. The camera has been blurry. But now it's fine. Just flex in the black velvet. A lot of you have been asking how to grow plants like this na pinapalaki talaga yung dahon. Malalaki nga yung dahon nila. So, it comes with a proper shading siguro, guys. Kasi they are quite sensitive when it comes to overwatering and also kapag sobrang init na din. Perfect shading is, I think, the secret. So, find that out. Guys, if you remember about those pink Congos that I have been showing before, so here they are now. Mukha na silang mga red diamond. Close to red Congos because also red diamonds are really close to red Congo. So these are those spots that I have showed you guys. So nagbago na, nag-revert. So prone to reverting naman talaga yung mga ganito. Kasi even yung white Congo namin ngayon, green Congo na. Ayan. So, wala nang variegation. Baka pag napunta sa inyo, kapag binili nyo to, magiging pink ulit. Try nyo. For those of you who are looking for Gigantium Blizzard, guys, they have a lot here of different sizes. Siguro available. Meron din mga horsehead Philodendron. Most of those na nandito, malalaki na talaga. Hala. Ring of Fire, I think. This is Philodendron Ring of Fire. Ayun, meron bang baby? So cute.
1.5 ko na isa na.
1.5. Wow. Ito?
Kare.
Hala, oh, ayan. 1,500. You have a variegated ring of fire na. Variegated ba talaga? Or variegated ba talaga ang ring of fire? Basta variegated Williams, yung ring of fire. Ayan. I'll give you a closer look dito sa leaf. Ito yung parang malaki-laki sa kanila kasi parang tatlo sila na nandito. Meron din silang mga lime fiddle. Madaming for sale dito, guys. So, if I were you, mas madali talaga if you will message and negotiate with them. Philodendron bobsy, guys. So, here it is. So, napakita ko kanina na matured form na BB and of course, yung nag-mature na is nasa likod. So, here they are when you look at them sa harap talaga. So, these are Philodendron sabastatum. Ayan. So, I really love it na klarong-klaro pa siya ngayon. Unlike before, when we came here, na dito sa area na to, hindi na masyadong klaro, guys, kasi parang paggabi na. So, we are so blessed to be able to see them in a broad daylight. Anyway, guys, before I get to finish this video, let me just show you the matured form of a Philodendron verrucosum. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito pala siya. Meron siyang bristles. So, parang kamukha niya yung petiole ng Squamiferaum. So, it's the first time that I am seeing the matured form. And sobrang magaganda pang plants dito, guys. Ayan. So, busog na naman yung mga mata ko today and my heart is happy. Thank you, Ma'am Christine. And of course, the staff here at Marilu Beach Resort are really friendly and generous. Thank you! Thank you so much for making it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Pakitap nyo na din po yung bell icon para ma-notify ko kayo pag may bago na naman kaming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!